መስመር ጽንብል ተራኒዞ ማይተመናይ አኽርያ መስመር ገጀሬ የዓውታ ተጠራት ብዙሆን
Welcome to Eritrea. May I ask who and where you come from?
I am from Italy. Thank you for welcoming me.
So, how long have you been in Eritrea?
We arrived past Tuesday, so it's been a week today.
A week. So I think that you are in the best months that you could ever be in Eritrea. This is 24 May where we celebrate the Independence Day, and this is the carnival. How are you celebrating this day?
So that's why actually we choose to came here. We are a couple of video makers, and we are shooting a documentary about the Italian presence in Eritrean culture. And we chose to come here in May just because so we could also celebrate the feast and I have to say it's really touching how these people go in the streets and it's full of colors, it's full of noise and music and so how we are celebrating it. Actually, we are working because we are also very interested in filming this big day.
Documentaries. So, is there any unique thing that caught your attention in here, like in today?
Just in today or in general?
In general, especially in today.
Well, I think that we were talking with my colleague. What really impresses us is that Eritrean people are very welcoming. Like if they can help you, they really will. And I think that this is something that you see in a bigger way today. So, for example, many people helped me pass the line so I could film better, and etc. And everybody smiles at us.
Yeah, I'm glad to have you in here. I hope you enjoyed this holiday. If there is anyone you could say hello through our channel.
Yeah, hello to my Italian friends. Come here and visit Eritrea.
I think I have seen you in the cycling the previous Sunday. So how is it? Can you just give me a brief explanation about that?
Well, we were also impressed by how the bikers are really strong. So they were going very fast.
Have you tried cycling with them?
No, I would never try. I don't love cycling, but I was impressed.
So I hope that you enjoy this Independence Day, especially the men's,
Yeah, thank you very much. We will for sure.
Thank you. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye so much.
Bye.
መጀመሪያ ዮሐና
ኩላትና ተከታተል ሲነማ ሰመረ